Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Keslam ajingi kaya kebelatip kerteng kumkenip hotel management kebadan hakasnong kedai nong mensong Shillong Khot admission nag bentaus nem arazar posan arazar ponrio yagi kena kebela pendap yagi jeng pulih ke kelas 10 bat ajingi kaya nag benta lais nem nag benta kebela pendap yagi jeng pulih ke kelas 12 ke jeng ajingi kaya ke long shis nem haga diploma bat lais nem haga degree. Haga diga Shillong pulih penyo yagi jeng kaya kum ke hospitality sector ke bakintop kum haga housekeeping food and beverage food production bat ke front office. Haga ni kenti ke nips kelapen mi thamairu yagi course ke biade bat ke Bachelor of Tourism bat ke Master of Tourism. Nak benta ke jing tip ke bakamnya pilap ben telefon hau mobile number praar sanyo not sao pranot nriu sao.
My name is William Serrari and I'm a student of NIPS batch 2024. And today I'm here to share the experience of mine in this institution. The learning in this institution that is being provided by the teacher is very great. They have quite a range of experience in their own departments, such as in front office and F&B department and housekeeping. The way they teach is very good. It's very approachable. The teachers are very approachable. They make us feel easy towards them. Not like those strict teachers that is very difficult to approach. You can approach them any times and they're fully ready to teach you. After I have completed my course, my main goal or my main plan is to work in USA or work abroad, and which is of course being provided by this institution. And not only that, we have 100% placement guaranteed, and I'm very proud to be this student of the SNIPS NIPS Institute.
Kakerteng jangan di JC Bella Rinja ngadi kena pulih na po NIPS na ka batch 2023 ngayo experience na po Vivanta Shillong ngale kumba hendro banai ka jing experience janga teng yo bun ki jing hikai mo kumba ong te kum ya haka department front office haka housekeeping F&B but kitchen de kum mga hinaladi sya bangan wan hangni mo de lingkong ngong banga don experience haka kitchen mo tamba after what I've experienced hapo Vivanta the interest support department F&B the kum officer the yo kum kata kalat ba finwan the yaiwan but kani ka college jingi ka best mo ngan ong ifi the what ki teachers kilong ni kinda batay ing koloy ban suto the even ka environment hani ka best katahi.
name is Bettina Dakar. So I am from Jointia Hills. Currently, I am a second year student at NIPS Institute of Hotel Management. So I always want to do my degree at hotel management. So I research about this institute. So it is ranked number 1 in Eastern India. So here they provide a both course, diploma and degree. So it gives us a hand-to-hand experience. The faculties here, they are very incredible, supportive and helpful. So regarding about the placement, so it provides 100% placement, both national and international. So currently I have done my internship at Trident, Hyderabad. So I got an opportunity to explore in all 4 departments: front office, F&B, housekeeping and kitchen. So it was a great experience. It was a great experience for me. It's not only helped me to understand how the hotel operates, it also helped me to gain my knowledge and skill.
Nikong ngai kublai yapi buat CCTV, buat kalong syak jingkeman hakabang iyo ekni kalat ban pedi ya kasap kapong jongki khna jongi mata kasngi, buat ngangit ru lingba kani kan long kajing mentoy ke bakrau, nak mentai ki wei buat ki student ki badon kajing angnut lani kajing temu ban sim yakni ka kalain kum ka career path jongki, namar hakabai dai buat kani ka NIPS ki course ka kadon ban ai kalong kum ka degree course nak mentai ki khna class 12. Nangta master course buat kumju ya ka diploma course. Te nak banta ka jingtip ka bakham ya khamtam lelai ba manta ka admission jong 2025 ngila apply. Te ki student kila banwan mi sepo campus ka campus ngi kron hangi po nong mensong kredit. Te khandiat ladangan batai ya ka nak banta ki khna class 10 ngidon ya ka 3 years diploma. Te nak banta ki khna class 12 pada ngidon ka 1 year diploma but ka 3 years degree. But nak banta ki graduation pada ngidon ya ka master course. Te hakabai dai begini ka admission jong ni usnam arja rapusan ngadon ru kajing pentip sapi ba ngila introduce thamai ya ka tourism hakabai dai bachelor in tourism buat kumju ka master in tourism te tang kita hi kublai sibun.